Banyak orang lalu lalang teman-teman pada ngeliatin gitu, pede banget. So teman-teman, paket dendeng. Nah ini nih yang aku pesen. Nasi, terus ada dikasih rendang, timun.
Wow, is this extra tight or am I just too...
Kayak cuma orang Indonesia yang bisa buka plastikan kayak gini, lihat nih. Halo teman-teman semua, balik lagi di Bidai Channel. Baru lagi nyetir nih. Hati-hati bro, serius banget pokoknya. Ada Raffles masih nggak tenang kalau naik mobil. Raffles mana? Ah ini dia. Hari ini udaranya cerah banget kalau teman-teman ini ya. Teman-teman bisa lihat. Tuh, hari ini blue sky banget nih teman-teman. Jadi kita mau pergi piknik, mau ke pantai. Nah tapi sebelum ke pantai kita mau pick up makanan teman-teman. Aku ini hitungannya telat banget teman-teman, karena udah 3 tahun tinggal di Vancouver. Tapi baru berapa bulan yang lalu ngeh kalau ada semacam kayak komunitas Facebook komunitas gitu untuk orang Indonesia, dan itu tuh di komunitasnya itu orang-orang berbagi kayak apa ya, informasi dan juga orang-orang Indo yang bisa order makanan. Nah jadi hari kemarin itu aku order sesuatu makanan yang nggak pernah dimakan sama bro. Terus nanti kita mau makan di pantai. Jadi aku mesennya tuh sama langsung dari Uni yang kayaknya sih memang orang originalnya dari Padang. Nah kalau untuk makanan ini sendiri teman-teman itu harganya $15. Kalau di Indonesia ini mungkin sekitar 160 atau 170 ribu per porsi. Kalau untuk di Vancouver sih itu harganya normal teman-teman. Jadi jangan langsung kaget. Oke, kita excited banget, kita on the way dan we'll see. So stay tuned with us. So teman-teman, aku barusan pick up nih, dibungkus masih penasaran banget. Nah kita lagi mau pergi ke cari tempat buat pikniknya. Tadinya sih mau ke Jericho Beach, cuman kita ganti, kayaknya kita mau pergi ke Dog Park, ke beach yang lain, Dog Beach gitu deh. Ya stay tune. Tadi juga baru pertama kali ketemu sama Uni Sheila. Dan Uninya baik banget, tau lah ya orang Indonesia pasti langsung akrab. Nah walaupun nggak pernah ketemu, nggak pernah bertutur sapa. Bro lapar?
Ya lapar.
Oh lapar, kita makan ya. Setengah jam lagi ke tempatnya, pantai langganannya Raffles. Banyak orang lalu lalang teman-teman pada ngeliatin gitu, pede banget. Kita soalnya lagi di jalan. Sebenarnya ini tempat pikniknya itu di depannya itu jalan gitu. Ada tempat piknik sebelah sana. Cuman nggak tahu kita boleh bawa anjing apa enggak. Jadi ya udah deh kita duduknya di daerah yang boleh anjingnya itu nggak mesti on leash. Hai teman-teman. So apa kabar teman-teman semua? Balik lagi di Bidai Channel dan kita lagi piknik. Teman-teman, ini pertama kali kita piknik di luar, jadi ngevlognya nggak dari rumah, cuman kita agak malu. Soalnya kita ini lagi piknik di The Dog Park gitu, Dog Beach Park. Jadi karena teman-teman tahu kan kita baru adopsi, nggak baru sih, udah hampir setahun kita punya Raffles. Nah jadinya sekarang kita tuh udah nggak bisa terlalu bebas, jadi kita kemana-mana harus adjusting sama Raffles. Well, anyway, busway, kita mau makan. Jadi kali ini kita bukan aku yang masak. Ini pesanan, aku mesen dari salah satu orang Indonesia, orang Padang, dari Uni Shelly. Kita mau makan.
Pakut DDJ komplit. Paket. Dendeng. Komplit.
Yeah. DDJ komplit.
Okay. Okay, so it's like a full meal basically.
It is, yeah. So let's open.
See?
Wow,
what is that?
It's a lot of stuff.
Okay, this is rice. Oh, is this rendang?
Yeah.
Wow. There's so much stuff. Oh, an egg.
An egg. So teman-teman, paket dendeng. Nah ini nih yang aku pesen. Yuk buka-buka, ini besar banget nih teman-teman. Ada kerupuk, nasi, terus ada dikasih rendang, timun. Nah ini dendengnya, ada telur dan sayur. Nah yang di sini nih, ini kikil. Challenging teman-teman, mau buka semuanya diplastikin kayak gini. Kita makannya pakai ini, pakai garpu dan sendok. Nah, dendeng. Jadi si bro ini belum pernah makan dendeng. Kita tiket tunggu aja, ntar dia pasti nanya-nanya. Kita persiapan, buka kerupuk dulu. Wih, kerupuk bro.
Bunker, that's not your picnic. Like that.
Kita tebal muka banget nih teman-teman, jadi kalau orang ngeliatin kita ketawa-ketawa aja. Kayak tinggal di dunia sendiri gitu. Untungnya kan nggak ada kenal sama sekali ya. Ntar kalau ada orang Indonesia lewat, udah dia pasti ketawa.
Open it, okay.
Oh, hopefully deh ya nugget.
Okay.
Kerupuk. Oh my god. Kampung udah nggak biasa makan pedas. Dendeng.
Okay.
You got it?
Oh, what is that actually?
Yeah, what is that? See, told you teman-teman. Jadi si bro tuh belum pernah makan.
Something that is really black. Okay, I'm done.
Selamat makan bro.
Okay, selamat makan.
Ini dicampur-campur.
Oh,
Buka
you're
sayurnya.
already ready with
Almost,
everything.
almost.
Yeah. So what is this stuff? The black stuff? This one?
Yes, I think it's just like a dried, you know, it's kind of like a jerky beef.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like an Indonesian style. And then we put sambal on it. Might be chewy.
Oh, is this extra tight or am I just too...
Cuma orang Indonesia yang bisa buka plastikan kayak gini, lihat nih. Lihat nih, beda banget.
Did you like rip it apart or open the
No,
mouth?
I open it, see?
Okay.
Nih, bedanya orang Indonesia sama orang
Oh,
luar.
I pulled on the wrong side. Now it's opening.
Salah buka katanya, ya ampun.
Okay, I got it.
You got it, bravo.
And this just goes over... Okay, everything just comes together, right?
Yes. Oh my god, it looks so delicious already. I just mouth watering. Macai, selamat makan teman-teman.
Selamat makan.
Tadi aku udah nyobain sedikit. Ini sambal telurnya pedas banget. Semoga aku survive.
Oh, these beans are really good.
Ya
Wow.
ampun. Authentic, bro.
Mm.
This is authentic. This is how I remember about Indonesian meal. Like makan nasi dandang.
It's very good. Oh, is this with the... Is it jackfruit? No, what is it? Yeah, jackfruit, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's some rendang in there.
But it is spicy, teman-teman. Oh my god.
So good.
You like it? So far so good, teman-teman.
Okay, I'm gonna try this, the dried one.
Yeah. Fan of this meal?
Oh, wait. I'm eating this.
Okay. You like it?
It is so crunchy. It is really good. Have you tried it? It's spicy, but it's really, really good. And it's so crunchy. It's like dried.
So jujur ya teman-teman, waktu masih kecil atau masih kuliah dulu aku nggak terlalu suka makan dendeng. Jadi karena kering gitu kan, crunchy. Nah ini aku coba lagi makanya.
Should I mix my food like you?
Whatever you like.
Okay.
Pedas. But you have to eat this.
What is it?
Kikil.
What does that mean? Is
I
it
don't
meat or what is it?
Yeah. Not really meat, but eat that.
No meat? Oh, is this like pork hocks or something like this?
Something like that.
Something that I don't like actually. You're trying to trick me to eat something.
Well, maybe.
On my Facebook. And to be fair, it is like a beautiful photo. But she was like, yeah, that's what it is.
It tastes good, but it's only fat. Right? It's nothing else.
It's not fat, I guess. This is coming from the leg, the kapi.
This is only leg, only fat, right? Okay, I don't like this so much.
I told you.
I thought it's a meat, but it's only the fat actually.
Enak banget Uni. Pikilnya maknyus.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not a big fan of the fat. But the sauce is very good.
The sauce is really good. Yeah. And it's spicy.
This is one of the best outdoor Indonesian meals that I had. This is really so good.
And plus with the kerupuk, okay?
Yeah, and even this one, the sauce is really good.
Kikilnya ada dagingnya juga, tapi empuk banget.
Is it this? Oh.
Ini salah, delicious.
Maybe I just took the wrong piece.
Maybe.
Okay, another try. Oh yeah! I mean, it tastes good.
That's really
It
good.
tastes like the sauce. It's really good.
You're just not used to
But
it.
the texture is like it's so wobbly, right? I don't like.
Oh.
This stuff is really good. I love it.
So maybe I have to learn how to make it.
It's so crunchy. I've never had this before.
Yeah, because I never made it. Teman-teman, buat harga 170.000 per porsi. Worth it banget. Sampai anjing-anjing juga pada nengokin. Jadi kita makan ini lagi ditontonin sama yang punya anjing sama anjingnya. Oh my god, dendengnya ini enak banget. Coba nih teman-teman, ini penghinaan ini si bro. Bisa disisihkan di belakang gitu. Coconut water. Look at that, it's really nice. It's just chewy. Hari teman-teman, enak banget.
It looks good. I know it's good. It tastes good, but I don't like it.
It's so weird, right?
Yeah.
Kalau teman-teman bisa lihat behind the scene tuh sebenarnya lagi banyak orang banget. kita muka tembok gitu, kita duduk makan.
This one it's beef,
teman-teman.
right? Sang, it's beef.
It is beef, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, so delicious.
So good.
It's really spicy.
Yeah.
Okay. Aduh hiccup. Bukan.
Alright teman-teman.
Oke teman-teman, udah selesai makan dan
It was
beres-beres.
so good. I'm really full right now.
No, like honestly itu makanan yang enak banget teman-teman. Dan aku kalau sebagai orang Indonesia malah pengen bisa bilang itu autentik banget. Jadi ngingetin banget saat aku makan di rumah makan Padang, itu rasanya gitu banget gitu bro. Mirip sama banget rasanya.
Yeah, I think it also reminded me actually of the Padang style restaurant.
Oh yeah, we went once,
because
right?
in Bandung,
in
we
Bandung.
went to the restaurant Padang.
Really, that's right.
And it was exactly like this,
Setia
like
Budi.
many different things on your plate. And I mean, in the end, Indonesians, you mix everything together, right? That's like, for me, I like to keep them separate and eat like little piece of that, little piece of that. But it's maybe the German culture to not mix
Nasi
everything.
bro.
I think it tastes different when you eat with the hand somehow. And it's not because of course you wash your hand, right? So it's not that your hand tastes like something.
Yeah.
But it's a different experience to eat with the hand. But I mean, here outside, could do it, but it's I don't know, everything is sticky, so you want to wash your hands afterwards, and there's no running water.
Right.
So.
Like best is with hands. Tapi teman-teman, karena kita piknik kan ya, kita apalagi COVID gini kan, kita nggak mau terlalu mengambil resiko, jadi makanya kita milih untuk makannya pakai garpu dan sendok, garpu dan pisau. So
my favorite was the dendeng. My favorite was the dendeng. It was really good. So the dried beef, it was really good, really crunchy. I didn't expect that to be so. It was almost like krupuk actually.
Di Kanada ini teman-teman ada namanya beef jerky. Nah, beef jerky itu kurang lebih mirip-mirip kayak dendeng. Cuman mungkin bedanya dendeng itu crunchy kan ya. Nah, kalau beef jerky ini kayak chewy gitu. Jadi harus kayak ditarik terus digigit gitu lama. Jadi karena proses masaknya kalau beef jerky itu di asap, ya kan?
Yeah.
Dia kayak agak karet gitu jadi rasanya. Makanya si bro unexpected banget pas dia makan, crunchy, wow.
It was like krupuk and or like this beef jerky and krupuk together. Combined is this one, and it was really good because it was spicy as well. The taste was intense. It was really rich.
Yes.
So almost like a rindang, but super dry. I don't know. It's really hard to describe, but it was really good. I enjoyed that the most. But for the kikil, I don't know. I like the taste. I like this of the kikil. I like the sauce.
Yeah.
I like how it smells, how it looks like. I like to eat it with krupuk, the sauce. But I don't like the kikil itself. That's my big problem. The texture is too wobbly, soft. I don't like that so much.
Unishelly delicious.
Delicious.
Kayak promosiin teman-teman order Unishelly, teman-temannya di Indo, uninya di Kanada.
So how many points do you give? For 10 points, 1 to 10?
Oh my god, I'm giving 10 points. Like when I eat it, I was like, it's not my cook, and I was like, oh my god, feels like home. So totally 10 points.
Okay, so I'm giving 9 points because I have to be careful because Nancy's food is always 10 points. So this one is not from you. It's only 9 points, but it's the maximum that I'm willing to give. So it's the best.
Couple goal, teman-teman.
It was really good.
I mean, like no, I just like it's honestly. I mean, I'm saying she cook way better than me. Ya, teman-teman, jadi ini pertama kalinya kita nyoba sesuatu yang bukan aku yang masak, dan ternyata idenya bagus banget gitu karena akhirnya ngerasain juga masakan Indonesia yang dibuat sama orang lain selain aku. So yeah, that's it teman-teman. Kita mau jalan sama Raffles. Ini habis makan akhirnya udah isi tenaga lagi.
Alright, bye.
Oh, silo banget dah. Oops. Nah, itu Raffles. Bye. There he is. Hey papi. Hai. Raffles. Ini muka kekenyangan nih. Muka kekenyangan kayak gini nih. Udah langsung mager.
I'm tired now of the food.
Mager bro, mager.
Mager?
New word, mager. Means malas gerak, means lazy.
Oh, ya, mager.
Mager lagi mager dia.